sketty Raastuvankatu 12 to 14. Vaasa. Staircase B. In 1963 and merged in 2004, it's 10896. Fifth floor. Triple shot, you have 40 kilograms. I filmed staircase C3 years ago. 5 years ago. I can actually film staircase A also because there are so many locked off buildings nowadays. In 2015, only 50% of apartment buildings were locked off in Vaasa city center. Ground floor. Now, probably 75%. Spektiivpaikki on. Delta is common in Vaasa also, and cases 280 is very rare. I haven't found any yet. I still have found, not filmed, but found a bit over 100 elevators in now 2020, and no cases 280 elevators. One on a space elevator, but it has design fixtures. Ground floor. That's